delaminating from the shingle.
The video accidentally stopped, but
You restart it?
yeah, I restarted it. We'll just send them too, I guess.
So I would usually do, restart it. Should come out.
See, 2 nails, one top one.
Got a little tear in this one from lifting. Fiberglass showing a little bit through. Should pull out. From any damage that we're reporting now is a little bit of degranulation, creasing. We're not lifting the shingle too high, just enough, about 40 degrees, enough to see the nail and pull it out. So.
See the buckling? Yep. Starting to give way. So that would then turn into another repair.
Yeah, this is now
Considered a damaged shingle because of the repair. And now we have to go above it and try to see this one above it buckling as well. Starting to crease.
creasing here as well throughout.
One right there. Good buckling.
This is it's cracking, and this is also no longer sealed properly. Just causing more issues throughout the roof.
Yeah. So overall, it's a fail really on the repair scale.
Yeah, I mean there's some creasing. Fiberglass is breaking. There's a defined line of where
we attempted the repair cautiously and within
reasonable measures.
Reasonable.
We're not lifting the shingle either.
Yeah.
Lifting it at least 40 degrees in order to get the
and
nail
you see
in
as
without
you lift it, it's just continue to crease, and that's
delaminating. But we're finished sealing this up with this repair protected in a fail repair attempt. Please take all considerations into this factor. We're gonna have to repair a few shingles, so
as well as a turtle vent as well, which is a lot more complex than this, and
as well as, let's say this shingle was needed to get repaired. well, we're gonna run up into ridge vent issues and having to deal with
ridges
and taking this off as well, resulting in more damage.
so thanks.